Welcome to section number 4, guys, separation by barrier. And as the name implies, we're going to be separating by the addition of this magical barrier, which separates certain type of materials and will not allow to separate other type of materials. And please do not confuse this with a filtration process, which in theory could be categorized as a barrier. And actually, if you were to be so technical, yeah, maybe these are type of filtrations because there is a barrier in between and will allow certain material and will not allow other materials, so you get two main products. But in this specific case, guys, we are going to focus more into the actual physical and chemical phenomena occurring in the barrier. And we have many processes, but the most important ones are reverse osmosis, or dialysis, gas permeation, we got pervaporation, micro, ultra, hyper, nano. There are many types of filtrations which are focusing in even smaller and smaller and smaller filtrations. And at the end of this section, we're going to cover the so-called liquid membranes, which are getting more track and more notoriety nowadays. Now, guys, I'm gonna be serious and honest about it. This section is a little bit more advanced. If you were to actually study this, or if you already need to study this, well, I just want to let you know that we're going to cover just basic theory on membranes. What are membranes? Why do we need them? What's the main difference with the conventional processes versus membranes? And we're going to see what are the difference between all the processes that I already mentioned you, reverse osmosis, gas permeation, pervaporation, and so on. And I want you to focus more into the actual equipment, the process, and the physical phenomena behind the processes, rather on whether or not these are difficult to design or what type of operation do they require, and so on. Okay, so let's check out section number 4.